Bonjour à tous, bienvenue pour la session numéro 16 for our free French course for beginners, but not beginners anymore, right? No, petit à petit, step by step, on avance. We are going forward, ok? Aujourd'hui, l'objectif, c'est proposer une sortie. On va utiliser des phrases comme ça te dit de, oui, avec plaisir. Allez, on attaque. As always, we are going to first start with a small dialogue, un petit dialogue. Okay. Okay. Now here we have the dialogue. Salut Marie, tu vas bien? Salut Marie, tu vas bien? Oui, super. Et toi? Ça va? Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Bonne idée. À quelle heure? Vers 20 heures. Parfait. Okay, now if we see the translation. Salut Marie, tu vas bien? Hi Marie, you good? Oui, super, et toi? Yes, I'm good. Yes, great. What about you? Ça va, I'm fine. Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Bonne idée. Great idea. Good idea. À quelle heure? What time? At what time? Vers 20 heures, around 8 p.m. Parfait. Perfect. Okay. Okay, just now see les phrases importantes, the important phrases. Okay, so first sentence here is on va au cinéma, on va au ciné, on va au cinéma. Second is ça te dit de, okay, ça te dit de, and then always we are going to use the verbs infinitive, the original form. We are not going to use the conjugated form. So for example, here is ça te dit de prendre un verre. Ça te dit de, like, do you want to? Okay, do you want to have a drink? We can frame another sentences, for example, ça te dit de faire un tour. Do you want to go for, or do you want to take a little walk? Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma. You want to go to the movies, etc., etc. But always you are going to use the verbs infinitive form. Donc ici, ça te dit de prendre un verre. Prendre, c'est un verbe infinitif. Tu veux sortir? Do you want to go out? Tu veux, and then again the infinitive form of the word. Tu veux sortir? You want to go out? Bonne idée. Good idea. What's the time? Like à quelle heure? At what time? Around. Okay. So vers 20 heures. 20 vers 9 heures, around 8 o'clock, around 9 o'clock. So according to you, according to the sentence, well, you can add the time saying around, vers, and the time period. Well, now here we have some questions to practice. So the first question is ça te dit d'aller au ciné, ça te dit de, and then we have infinitive form of the action for what purpose you are proposing, right? So ça te dit d'aller au ciné. Do you want to go to the movies? If you want to say yes, okay, yes, I'll be happy. So for that you can say oui volontiers, oui volontiers. So volontiers is the word that means I'll be happy. Okay, oui volontiers. Oui, avec plaisir. Yes, with great pleasure. Another way to ask, tu vas venir? You want to come? Tu vas venir? Just to deny. Okay, if you don't want, you can say no merci, no thank you. Je suis occupé. No merci, je suis occupé. No, I'm busy. Third thing here, je regarde une série. So I'm like doing this. Would you like to join or do you want to? Okay. So je regarde une série. Ça te dit, I'm watching a series. Do you want to? And the question and the answer can be oui, pourquoi pas? Why not? Pourquoi pas? So here you can notice we are not using de plus infinitive form, right? We are just asking, ça te dit, like, are you okay with that? Do you want to do that? Right? Okay. Well, some questions here for you. So first sentence is je vais au parc. Je vais au parc. And then what question can be asked? Okay, multiple answers are possible. Well, you can write your answers in the comment box. Je vais au parc, blank, question mark. Oui, oui, the blank. Third one is born, born, okay. And fourth one is for the time, dash 20 hours. Let's discuss the answer now. So first one here we have is je vais au parc, je vais au parc, Saturday, je vais au parc, Saturday. We can also ask je vais au parc, tu veux venir? Tu veux venir? You want to come? Très bien. Okay. Second one is oui volontiers, oui volontiers, oui avec plaisir, oui merci. So we have multiple answers. Okay, you can use any. We can also say oui bonne idée. Yes, it's a good idea. Now the third one is bonne idée. Great idea, good idea. You have bonne idée. The fourth one is where. Okay, where, if you want to say around, and if you are giving the specific particular time at 20 hours, then we can use the preposition as well. If you remember that we have done in the timings when we have learned how we can talk about the timing, in that we have done this preposition also. Well, I hope now everything is clear till here. I remember everybody download vocabulary, grammar, and phonetic sheets in the Telegram group. You have the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to practice inside the Telegram group as much as possible. Okay, and don't forget to mettre a like, subscribe, and come back for next lesson. Salut tout le monde, à la prochaine.